What's up, my Shuggies? Ashley here, and in today's video, this HomeGoods queen has another HomeGoods haul for you guys. I was able to travel to a HomeGoods I'd never been to before and found some really amazing pieces that I cannot wait to share with you guys. These are bigger, more heavy pieces, and I have not seen them in my local HomeGoods. So if you are interested in seeing this HomeGoods shop with me and haul, then just keep watching. All right, you guys, we are starting out at the temporary living room coffee table. That is my old one in the background. As many of you know, I am trying to finish up the living room, so I have some furniture that is being moved around, but I wanted to take a minute to talk about this amazing box. It is like a marble type material. It has a nice ribbed top to it, and I love it because I put my glasses and our TV remote inside, so it is hidden. That is one of my biggest pet peeves. I hate on a coffee table when there's a bunch of stuff sitting out, so I just decided that was the perfect size. I put it on a stack of books, and again, this is all a temporary setup, but I just wanted to show you this box. I think this will be staying here. I don't know about the disc, but that is next up on my list, and I absolutely love this. I think this is fantastic. I actually got this at a different HomeGoods, I believe in the Tampa location. It is massive, and I believe it was $39.99. Yeah, so a little bit more on the expensive side, but definitely very substantial. It is a really dark brown, as you can see, with a little bit of black in it. It's got really great detail, and it is made of a nice thick, heavy wood material. So definitely more on the substantial side, but I love the shape of it. I really am not sure where I'm going to put it. I'm hoping to put it on a console if I can ever find one for this space over here. However, in the meantime, this is where it's sitting. This is where it's housed. I'm just playing around with this whole area. This is an older table that I have. I just wanted to see the contrast with the new couch, but I love this. I think it's amazing. I've seen it in a couple of my Homegoods, so it's definitely still out there lurking around. I have not seen this one since. It's definitely one of those random things that I found and just threw in my cart because I knew right when I saw it that I loved it, but it is really inexpensive as well. I think it was like 16 bucks, but these are two really new nice pieces that they have in the stores, and I'm going to try to see if I can find something similar to link below for you guys if I can't find this. I'm super excited. I've been talking about this a lot recently, that they are coming to an online platform with Homegoods this year. So as soon as I find that out, of course, I'll be able to link everything I get in Homegoods below for you guys. But in the meantime, I do try to find some dupes for you. So I'm going to see if I can get this for you as well. Next is this amazing bust. I know you guys have seen this absolutely everywhere, and this is totally completed. This console in this guest room. I did also purchase it in black, but I ended up returning it because I really love the contrast of the white in the room. I really wasn't sure, so that's why I got them both, just because I wanted to see. It is a little bit more on the expensive side. I believe it was $59, but it's really nice and substantial. It's about, I'd say, 2 feet tall, so definitely on the bigger side as well. And I just love the detail of this. You know, it's really unique, really masculine, really different. They do come, the darker black color is like got a little bit of gray in it. So if you're looking for something to contrast, you know, the darker color like this dark console, definitely go with the white. I just think it really makes this pop. So if you can kind of imagine that being really dark, I feel like it would just kind of bleed together. So really kind of completed this room. I'm loving the way everything turned out. This just really was the accent piece that I needed for this console. I've also gotten a couple of questions about that bowl. This is from Homegoods as well. And then that's my typical moss that I do from my Homegoods at my at home. I just stuffed it inside on top of some tissue paper, so it's just kind of sitting up here. And I do that because A, it's easy, and B, it is super easy if I change my mind later on. I don't have to worry about glue and all of that stuff, so it's very temporary. But back to this bust, I know that they do have it online. I will link it below for you. I'm sure it's going to be more expensive than the $59. That's the whole point in finding it at Homegoods, is it's so much more affordable than they are online. But I will link it below for you as long as I can find it, just so you guys have the option in case you cannot find it in your local stores. I also wanted to take a minute to talk about this additional coffee table book that I got. I also found this. You guys helped me so much, so I was able to link it for you guys from the Marshall's website. But in addition to this little bust, I found this coffee table book, which was Remodelista. Has some really nice pictures inside, and I really just love the honeycomb band because, again, we're trying to go for that aesthetic with the coffee table books, but some really nice, this one's actually not blank like some of my other ones, has some really nice pictures and inspiration. So this isn't just one that's going to be blank. This is actually going to be one that has inspiration as well. So super nice, and it was only 19 bucks. So for those of you that want coffee table books that are not blank, that actually have some good inspiration and material inside, that's definitely one for you. I will see if I can find it on Amazon or Marshall's for you guys so you can have one for yourself. So I really like it. See how it's really nice with the black honeycomb and then the white writing. I think that just looks super cute and clean and put together to just kind of complete this little nightstand, simple and cute. This bust is like one of my favorites. And then last but not least, this stand, you guys, is something that was a total random find that I absolutely am obsessed with. I just went on one of those quick trips to Homegoods, and anything acrylic really catches my attention. So I was like, 39 bucks, you know, it's not that cheap. What am I going to use it for? guys, I use this thing all the time. Whether I'm editing videos or just searching on the computer, I end up bringing it to the couch, bringing it to bed, and it just helps you get the right angle for your laptop. I also love it because it really helps things stick better too. So you would think, which was my worry, that I would get this and then have it sitting on my legs and then it would make everything slide around, but it really doesn't. Like, it really holds everything on there so it's nice and stable. I can put my phone here, my camera here, my laptop. I have everything here. It's super stable, super strong, and this thing is like indestructible because it's really thick acrylic. I know acrylic is expensive in and of itself because my desk that I film with upstairs is acrylic and that was super expensive, but it is really nice, really indestructible, and I love it because it's aesthetically pleasing. I can throw this in any room, have this laying around anywhere in the house, and it doesn't look like an eyesore like some of those generic computer stands or editing stands, lap stands are. You know, some of them are just absolutely heinous. So definitely see if this is at your local HomeGoods. If not, I know that I've seen one online before. I was just apprehensive to get it because, again, I didn't know how much I would really use it. But now that I have this, I'm telling you guys, this is definitely a must. So I will find one and link one below for you guys so you can have one for yourself. All right, you guys, that is going to wrap up this HomeGoods Queen HomeGoods haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, I will link everything that I can in the description box down below. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.